Hi everyone, welcome back to Artistic Vibes with MTLE. Today, I am here with something unique and creative. We all use mirrors every day, but have you ever thought about turning a simple mirror into a piece of art? Well, that's exactly what I have done, and I can't wait to show it to you. Let's add a touch of beauty to everyday things. So, without further ado, let's get started. A simple mirror, which was once just an ordinary piece of glass, has now been transformed into a beautiful work of art. I have painted delicate pink flowers on it, giving it a whole new life. The black branches add elegance and complete the design. This is not just a mirror anymore, it's a reminder that even small, ordinary things can be made beautiful. As you see your face in it, these flowers smile along with you. What do you think about this design? Let me know in the comment box.